Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. English video 2, Free in the Forest exercise. Good morning, kids. In previous class, we have read story the Free in the Forest. Now we will do exercise of this story. Please mention date and day on the top of the page. In first exercise, learn to read. Underline the right word to complete a sentence about the story. The first one has been done for you. Number 1. Juby lives in the forest or village. The correct option is forest, that is already underlined. Number 2. He falls into a river or pit. The correct option is pit. We will underline it. He falls into a pit. Pit. Number 3. Bola and Bano are children elephants. Bola and Bano are children or elephants. The correct option is Bola and Bano are children. We will underline it. Yes. Bola and Bano are children. Number 4. Juby is sad because he is in the forest or cage. Number 4. Juby is sad because he is in the cage. The correct option is cage. We will underline it. Please underline the cage. Number 5. The men or Bola and Bano open the gates of the cage. Here the correct option is who opened the gate? Bola and Bano open the gate. We will underline it. Please underline Bola and Bano open the gate. Number 6. Bano and Bola are happy or sad to see Juby go. Yes, the correct option is happy. We will underline it. Happy. Yes. Happy. Pit. Children. Cage. Bola and Bano. Happy. Now, there is a next exercise. Learn to read. Why is Juby sad? Do you tell me why is Juby sad? Because he is in the cage. Where does he likes to live? He likes to live in the forest. Okay, kids, now please come on the page number 22. Here is an exercise. Learn words. Draw a line from each animal to its baby. Now read their names. Here is animal tiger. We will draw, and there are animals. There are the pictures of animals, and there are the pictures of their babies. The first animal is tiger. Tiger baby called. We will match them first of all with the line. Hurry up, you will match after me. Yes, tiger baby called. Cub. Hurry up, match with me. Cub. Yes, tiger baby called. Cub. The next is hen. Hen baby called. Yes. Which baby? Yes, this. Chick. Hen baby called chick. We will match hen with its baby chick. Hurry up. Match with me. Yes, chick. The next is cow. Cow baby called. Yes. Here, cough. Hurry up. Match with me. Cough. The next is dog. The next animal is dog. Dog's baby called puppy. Hurry up, match with me. Dog, puppy. The next is cat. Yes, you all will know. Cat baby called kitten. Hurry up, match with me. Cat baby called kitten. Next is duck. Duck. Duck baby called duckling. Duck baby called duckling. Match with me. Duck. Yes. Duckling. The last one, goat. Goat. Yes, goat. Goat baby called. What is the goat baby called? Yes, match with me. Kid. Goat baby called kid. Dear students, now we will read Learn Grammar. Learn Grammar. Look at the picture. Write words in all the boxes. Look at this picture. Here are boxes. We will in the first box there is written Jubi. Jubi is matched with the elephant Jubi. Here we write tree. This box is matched with the tree. So we will write here tree. Please write tree in this box. In the next box, there we will write village because it is matched with there are so many houses and this is called village. Hurry up, write village. Then in the next box, this box is matched with the cage. This box is matched with the cage. We will write here cage. In the next box, this box is matched with bola. We will write here bola. In the next box, this box is matched with the girl Banu and we will write here Banu. All these are nouns, naming words. Do you know about the nouns? Yes, nouns are naming words. The names of persons, places, animals, and things are called nouns. These are naming words. Jubi, tree, village, cage, bola, bano. These are called naming words. These are names or nouns. Nouns. The nouns definition is the names of persons, places, animals, and things are called nouns. Okay, kids, come on the page number 23. Please mention day, date on the top of the page. This is your home assignment, HW. I will read for you. Which of the words below are the names of animals, pupils, or things? Underline only the naming words. Yes, in this box there are different words are written and we will underline only the naming words. Yes, please do this at home. Cage. Cage is a noun. Cage is a name. Yes, it is a name of a thing. Underline the cage. Tree. Tree is not a name. Elephant. Yes, elephant is a name of an animal. Then it is a noun. We will underline it. Then there is a big. Big. No, it's not noun. House. Yes, it is a name of a place in which we live. It is called house. Here is a tree. Yes, it is a name. It is name of a plant. Bhola. Yes, it is a name. It is a naming word. We will underline it. Bhola is also a name of a person. Happy? No, it's not noun. Yes, gate. Gate. Yes, it is a naming word. Then there is underline only the naming words or nouns in this list of words. One has been done for you. Yes, elephant, it is a naming word. It is already underlined. Ghost, no, it's not noun. River, not noun. Yeah, river is a naming word. We will underline it. Again, no, it's not noun. Banana, yes, it is a naming word. We will underline it. Seas, no, it's not a noun. Stone, yes, stone is a noun. Trunk, yes, trunk is a noun. Wet, no, it's not a naming word. Give, not a naming word. We will not underline it. We will underline only elephant, river, banana, stone, trunk. In the next exercise, complete each of the sentences given below using one of the words that you have underlined. As in these lines, you have underlined elephant, river, banana, stone, trunk. We will use these words here in this exercise, in these blanks. Number 1. The dash goes to the river for a bath. Who goes to the river for a bath? Elephant. Elephant goes to the river for a bath. Then B. The dash is a long yellow green fruit. What is the long yellow green fruit? Banana. We will write banana here in the B line. The banana is a long yellow green fruit. Next C. Don't throw that dash. It will hurt someone. Yes, what will come here? Here will come stone. Don't throw the stone. It will hurt someone. In the next, the elephant picks up banana with its dash. Yes. What is this? The elephant picks up the banana with its dash. What will come here? Look in this line. What is this? Trunk. What is this? Trunk. We will write trunk here in this line. Okay, children, we have done the exercise free in the forest. Thank you. Please read these exercises and learn these exercises at home. Allah Hafiz.